16 Proven health benefits of avocado. Let us look at the most important health benefits of avocados. Number 1. May improve cardiovascular health. Avocado improves HDL or good cholesterol levels, which may help protect against heart attack and stroke. A 2018 meta-analysis of reports, published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, concluded that eating avocado can significantly increase HDL cholesterol, summary net change, 2.84 mg per deciliter. 95% CI, 0.18, 5.49 mg per deciliter. Number 2. Good source of potassium. Avocados are a good source of potassium. These significant levels of potassium make avocados a powerful fruit in the fight against hypertension. Potassium is one of the minerals that help in maintaining a normal heart rate. According to research published in the Journal of Clinical Investigation, potassium-rich foods can reduce pathogenic vascular calcification, which is the hardening of arteries. Dr. Paul Sanders from the University of Alabama at Birmingham led research which concluded that eating potassium-rich foods like avocados and bananas reduces the tension of blood vessels in arteries, regulating blood pressure. This, in turn, may help reduce the risk of clotting, heart attacks, and strokes. Number 3. Improves vision. Avocados can help keep your eyes healthy. They contain carotenoids such as lutein and zeaxanthin, which are known to protect eyes against cataracts, eye diseases related to age, and macular degeneration. These conditions are often caused by free radicals that accumulate in the tissues of the eyes. The antioxidant activity of these special carotenoids in avocados neutralizes the effects of those dangerous free radicals. Number 4. Skin and hair care. Avocados are packed with nutrients that are beneficial for maintaining healthy skin. It enriches skin that is dry, chapped or damaged. They are added to a variety of cosmetics due to their ability to nourish the skin with essential vitamins and make it glow. It is also used for nourishing dry and damaged hair. Many people use avocados to prepare skin and hair masks. Above all, avocado oil provides relief from plaque psoriasis. Beta-carotene and lycopene are two organic compounds found in avocados. Both of these have been connected to improving the health and tone of your skin and eliminating signs of premature aging. Number 5. Relieves arthritis pain. The anti-inflammatory properties of avocados are perhaps its most valuable attribute. Between the wide range of phytochemicals, flavonoids, carotenoids, phytosterols, fatty alcohols, and omega-3 fatty acids it contains, avocados are one of the best foods for reducing the inflammation in tissues, joints, and muscles. A 2010 research study from the journal The Physician and Sports Medicine showed that 300 mg of avocado and soybean-based nutritional supplement appears to be beneficial for patients with hip or knee osteoarthritis. Number 6. Liver care. The chemicals contained in avocados appear to be very good at reducing liver damage. These organic compounds help in improving liver health. Liver damage can be caused by several factors, with hepatitis C being the main one. Findings of a research study published by the American Chemical Society suggest that avocados may play a major role in toning up and protecting your liver from a wide variety of conditions. Number 7. Vitamin K deficiency. Vitamin K deficiency is not very common but may be seen in neonatal care. It may lead to a bleeding disorder known as vitamin K deficiency-related bleeding, VKDB. This occurs mostly due to an insufficient intake of vitamin K by the mother during pregnancy. The inclusion of avocado in the diet of a pregnant woman may help in lowering the risk of VKDB in the newborn child since avocados are one of the rare fruits that have a very high amount of vitamin K, almost 40% of the daily requirement in a single serving. Number 8. Anti-cancer potential. Avocado contains carotenoids and monounsaturated fat, both of which, when combined with other phytochemicals found in the diet, is associated with the reduction of cancer. Avocado also contains glutathione, an antioxidant that protects the cells from cancer and the dangerous effects of free radicals. The list of antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds in avocados is impressive. It is almost difficult to determine which one has the largest impact. Studies have been widely done on oral, skin, and prostate cancers, and the results show that instead of metastasizing, the organic compounds in avocados cause cancerous cells to undergo apoptosis, automatic cell death. Research is still ongoing on the relationship between avocados and cancer. Number 9. Antioxidant properties. Avocado contains both vitamins C and E, which help enhance the antioxidant properties of the human body. Vitamin C recycles vitamin E and helps reduce the oxidation of LDL cholesterol. Avocado also contains antioxidants such as epicatechin, violexanthin, neochrome, and about a dozen others. Antioxidants neutralize the effects of free radicals, the dangerous byproducts of cellular metabolism. Free radicals are responsible for dozens of serious conditions in the body, including cancer, cardiovascular disease, vision problems, premature aging, and cognitive disorders. Number 10. Healthy skin. Avocados contain many vitamins and minerals that help in maintaining healthy skin. Carotenoids found in avocados are associated with reducing UV-induced inflammation of the skin due to exposure to the sun. Pure avocado oil helps in protecting the skin against sunburn damage. The high levels of beta-carotene in avocados can be enzymatically split into provitamin A, which has long been connected to protecting the skin from a variety of conditions and the damaging effects of the sun. Number 11. Anti-aging properties. Research published in 2007 shows that lutein and zeaxanthin may decrease signs of the aging process by protecting the skin from damage from UV rays and radiation. Consuming avocados and applying pure moisturizing avocado oil to the skin is also associated with healthy aging due to the antioxidant properties of compounds lutein and zeaxanthin. Number 12. Strengthens bones. As mentioned, avocados contain zeaxanthin and lutein, which are associated with a reduced risk of cartilage defects, which is also one of the symptoms of osteoarthritis. Furthermore, the levels of essential minerals in avocados are significant, including zinc, phosphorus, copper, with trace amounts of calcium and selenium. All of these minerals are connected to lowered risks of osteoporosis and improvements in bone mineral density. Number 13. Nutrient absorption. According to a research study published in the Journal of Nutrition by Ohio State University, the fat in avocado helps the body absorb carotenoids, such as beta-carotene, and converts them to vitamin A. Findings indicate that the absorption of carotenoid antioxidant molecules, which helps protect the body against free radical damage, increases 3 to 5 times when a salad is eaten along with avocado. Adding sliced avocado to a mixed salad may further make a healthy meal even better. This makes avocado a great element as an appetizer since it prepares the digestive tract to function at its highest level during the meal to come. Number 14. Blood glucose level. Apart from the fruit, the leaf extracts of avocados also provide health benefits. An animal study conducted on non-diabetic and diabetic rats suggests that the leaf extracts may help in lowering blood glucose levels. The metabolism of starch-based foods into simple sugars, like glucose, can cause spikes and dips that are dangerous for diabetics. Fiber helps to slow the breakdown of food into usable sugars, so it is absorbed by the body in a more balanced way. Number 15. Useful for athletes. Athletes require a lot of energy and must maintain optimal nutrition to fuel their bodies. Avocado, like some other foods, provides vital nutrients and healthy fats to athletes to maintain energy levels and good health. Moreover, they contain phytochemicals that are a natural fuel source for your body. Number 16. Improves cognitive function. Avocados may help improve the cognitive function in healthy older people by increasing the lutein content in the body. Lutein is a carotenoid found in fruits and vegetables which has powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. According to a 2017 study in the journal Nutrients conducted by Tufts University, having a fresh avocado daily increased lutein levels in the brains and eyes of healthy older adults, which, in turn, helped enhance their memory and problem-solving skills. One research study shows that the consumption of avocado can lead to improved diet quality and nutrient intake, including a lowered risk of metabolic syndrome. Another research study explains that avocado seeds can be used for managing diabetes, inflammatory conditions, and hypertension, as well as for improving hypercholesterolemia. These seeds come in the form of organic avocado seed powder and supplements, which can be added to soups, smoothies, and drinks.